Welcome to our channel. If the Bumble app isn't working or you're experiencing connection errors that prevent you from swiping and matching, follow these step-by-step instructions to fix the issue. Step 1. Open your device settings and go to the Apps or Application Manager section. Find Bumble in your list of apps and tap on it. Step 2. Select Storage or Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Be careful with clear data as it may log you out. Step 3. Force stop the Bumble app from your settings, then swipe it away from your recent apps to completely close it before restarting. Step 4. Check your internet connection by testing other apps or websites. Bumble requires a stable connection to load profiles and send messages. Step 5. Verify that Bumble has permission to access your location. Go to Device Settings, find Location or Permissions, and ensure Bumble has location access enabled, as this is required for the app to work. Step 6. Visit your App Store and search for Bumble. Install any available updates to ensure you're using the latest version with bug fixes. Step 7. If connection errors persist, try logging out and back into Bumble. Go to Settings in the Bumble app and select Logout, then sign back in using your phone number or social media account. If problems continue, uninstall and reinstall the app from your App Store. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.